two-wheel classic here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1972 Yamaha CT2 175. Be considered a trail or enduro bike. Odometer reads 5168 as far as miles go. See if you can get a clear picture of that right there. Sorry about the glare. There you are, 5168. We'll fire this up, let you hear it run here in just a bit. Just kind of want to do a quick walk around so you can get an idea of the bike. You can also check out the still pictures. They'll be at uniqueclassiccars.com, just like our regular classics around here. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Of course, 175cc. Give me a good look at the wheels. The tires do show their age some. They're a little bit weather checked. Heads up on that. Seat, nice condition. Considering how many of them have black electrical tape covering up the rips and tears. This bike overall appears to be in nice condition. Of course, a dual shock bike. And you Yamaha fans out there, was red the only color you could get in 72? I know very little differences between the CT1 and the CT3, pretty interchangeable, but I think some difference in colors, maybe graphics, what have you. Tell you what I think I'll do is set up the tripod. I'm going to kick this thing over, let you hear it run. Of course, gas shut off right here. We do have a choke down by the carb. Shouldn't take much to get this started. Every time I've kicked it over, it pops over pretty easily. So that's a good look at it. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And let's set up the tripod, kick this over, let you hear it run a little bit.